Hi, Paul Cohn here with Ultimate Hockey Fans. Today I'm going to demonstrate on how to install your goalie mask light fixture to your Ultimate Hockey Fan. Screw in a 60-watt light bulb. There are 3 screws positioned on the outside of the light fixture kit, which you should have already installed. Make sure that you back out the 3 screws to allow the goalie mask light fixture to fit inside the light fixture kit. On the back of the goalie mask light fixture, you will see a concave ridge. I have highlighted this in red so that you can see it. This is where you will line up the 3 screws from the light fixture kit. Using a Phillips screwdriver, begin tightening 1 screw at a time until they are snug against the goalie mask light fixture. Position the goalie mask light fixture in the direction that you want by simply turning the light fixture kit. Do not turn the goalie mask light fixture. Congratulations! The installation of your Ultimate Hockey Fan is now completed. The Ultimate Hockey Fan is designed for real-life use. Not only will it cool your room, it makes your room look cool. Thank you for the purchase of your Ultimate Hockey Fans. We welcome your review at ultimatehockeyfans.com.